Suppose that a dartboard is made up of an 8x8 grid of squares shown below. Also, suppose that when a dart is thrown, it is equally likely to land on one of the 64 squares. A point is 1 if the dart lands on one of the 16 black squares. 0 points are earned if it lands on a white square. For one throw of a dart, what is the probability of winning a point? There are 16 black squares, and this is an 8x8 grid, which means there are 64 squares total. If you were to reduce this would come out to 1/4. B says Lynn wants to use a number cube to simulate the result of one dart. She suggests that a 1 on the number cube could represent a win. Getting a 2, 3, or 4 could represent no point scored. She says that she would ignore getting a 5 or 6. Is Lynn's suggestion for a simulation appropriate? Explain why you would use it, or if not, how you would change it. So, Lynn uses 1 out of 4 sides to represent a win. This matches our theoretical probability, so it is a good simulation. C says, suppose a game consists of throwing a dart 3 times. A trial consists of 3 rolls of the number cube, based on Lynn's suggestions in part B. The following simulated rolls estimate the probability of scoring 2 points in 3 darts. So remember, a 1 represents a point. So we're looking for any of them that represent 2 points. So 2 1s in it. So these two here are questionable. It says estimate the probability of scoring 2 points. If it said at least 2, we would use those, but since it just says scoring 2 points, we're probably going to leave those out. So out of the trials, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them were 2 points. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 in each row. And they did it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times, which is 50 trials total. That's a probability of 1/10, or 0.1, which is the same as 10% for part C.